It's time for the good things, the panels with our vampires. Behind the scene, we have already one Salvador brother sitting. Let's do it. Give it up for one and only, our Polish pride in USA, in Hollywood, Paweł Wasilewski. Paweł, 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 Paweł. Paul Wesley. Stefan Salvatore.
Oh, right. Oh, nice photos. Ooh, shirtless, yeah. Hi, guys. Okay.
Hello, hello.
Hi, guys. Long time no see. Jak tam wszystko? Nieźle? Dobra. Spoko.
Okay, you started with Polish,
Tak.
so I will ask you about your new secret project.
Oh, no, I don't have a new... Look,
Ah,
I have a... I forgot how to speak. I have a friend of mine. I started to produce television, and I signed a production deal. And one of my senior person at the company has a show based in India. That's Indian crew, everything Indian. 100% local television show that airs on Netflix. And so I said, why aren't I doing a show in Poland? Based in Poland with a Polish crew, Polish actors. I speak Polish, I can be in it, and make a show for television that has worldwide acclaim. So that's my goal. So I'm working on it. So I'm meeting with people. I'm meeting with some directors, some producers here in Warsaw, and I'm excited to try to figure something out. But it's in the very early stages.
still, for me, it's enough. You're making a TV series in Poland, in Polish.
I'm trying.
You starring in it. That's
Thanks.
enough for me. I think that's enough for them.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying.
But where did it came from? Like the power to open your own station, to make your own TV series. Why?
I think when you're an actor on a show for a very long time, you start to really want to have some creative control. And I think for me, I realized that after being on the Vampire Diaries for so long that I wanted to be involved in the material from the beginning and not just be hired, And so that's what I'm doing now. It took being on a TV show to realize that.
Is it easy thing to do? Like everybody's...
Bardzo trudna rzecz. It's really hard.
Because I'm curious, does the companies take actors seriously when they say, listen, I want to develop my own TV series, maybe you're interested?
It depends on the actor. If it's Ian, definitely don't take him seriously. If it's me, take me seriously. No, I think it depends on the situation. But yeah, I think every actor wants to control their own material, but I'm not sure. I think it's easier said than done,
All right.
No.
And after so many years playing in teenage series, is it easy to jump to something more serious, or everybody's saying like, this is the guy from Vampire Diaries, maybe not?
It's very difficult. People have an opinion of you and they stereotype you and but I'm in my 30s. My taste level is of a certain level. I think for me, like the show that I just did, Tell Me a Story,
Yep.
I think you guys have it in Poland.
On HBO
On
Go.
HBO, so
Yep.
check it out. That show for me was a nice stepping stone to try to do something a little bit more adult and to play a human for once. I'm not used to that.
But after so many years, if somebody approached you with another TV series for teenagers, would you say yes, or you said, okay, I did it for so many years, I would try something else?
I mean, I certainly can't play a teenager anymore. But I think that it depends on the quality. Like if there's depends on the quality. Depends on the quality of the material, really.
Because you know that right now, one actor that played a vampire became a Batman. You know
I
that.
know. Good for him. Good for him. He's great. I've always liked him. I've always liked his acting.
Would you like to take part in those big franchises like DC movies or Marvel movies?
I wouldn't say no.
But you're a fan? You have some character that you would like to play?
That's a good question. I don't want to play Robin because he's like, I don't know about those two guys, Robin and Batman. Some weird stuff going on there. So really anyone except Robin.
But the villains or the heroes?
I mean, it's always more fun to play a villain. You know, Ripper Stefan was much more fun than regular crying Stefan. Don't you guys agree? Yeah. Did you like when Stefan was crying all the time? He's a very emotional, sensitive man, right? Oh man, I don't know. He has a what? He has hero hair. Yeah, maybe that's why he's crying all the time. His hair is. Poor Stefan. Yeah. Anyway, yeah.
All right, I would love to chat with you longer, but you know that they came here to ask you questions, not
Tak.
listen me asking you questions. So let's start the Q&A. Let's start the questions. Where is my guy from the microphone? He's running. Come on, the time is ticking.
Nie mamy dużo czasu. Cholera jasna. Wygubiam się.
You sound like a
Just
godfather, you know that, like, szybciej. All right, who's
my
starting?
first victim?
Victim.
Yes. You have a selfie stick and everything. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Try again.
Try. Yeah, it works.
Yes?
Yes.
Okej. So, mam pytanie. Jakie miasto w Polsce chciałbyś odwiedzić poza Warszawą?
Well, I just went to Krakow, and it's wonderful.
Może po polsku odpowiesz?
No, dobrze. Ale czasami zapominam słów.
To ci
To
pomogę.
będę połowę po polsku, połowę po angielsku.
Oj, no
Okej?
dobra.
Okej. Byłem w Krakowie.
Smok czuć?
Bardzo ładne miasto. Ale słyszałem od mamy, że muszę pojechać do Gdańsk.
Tak.
Prawda? A tata, co ty myślisz? Tata? Chcesz coś powiedzieć? Nie? My dad was in a Polish. He was in a Polish miniseries. Hey, did you guys know that my dad? He's looking at me like was in a Polish miniseries when he was a kid called Jagoda w mieście. You guys should try to find it. He's like the lead in this Polish miniseries. That's where I got my acting chops from. It's serious. I'm serious. Yeah. Come on. Anyway, it's true. I'm not lying. Nie kłamię.
Okej.
Dobra, to Gdańsk.
Only?
Wrocław?
O, słyszałem, że to jest też ładne miasto.
Tak, mieszkam tam.
Wiesz, jak byłem mały, ja jechałem do Zakopanych. Ja.
Góry, mountains.
Tak. Bardzo mi się podobało.
Okay, so thank you for your answer.
Dziękuję.
Bye.
Dziękuję.
Thank you.
Dobrze mówię?
Bardzo dobrze.
Dobra.
Witaj, mam na imię Mariola
Cześć.
i mam do ciebie pytanie, na które mam nadzieję, że nigdy poważnie nie będziesz musiał odpowiedzieć, więc hipotetycznie. Gdybyś,
Tak, używaj więcej takich słów jak hipotetycznie.
Nie, ja wiem, co to znaczy.
super. Gdybyś dziś musiał wybrać, po której stronie kamery już do końca musiałbyś być, czy jako aktor, czy jako producent, reżyser, co byś wybrał?
Ale tylko mogę jedno...
Jedno, właśnie. Gdybyś musiał
Shit.
stanąć przed takim wyborem.
I almost said another Polish word, but I didn't. My mom told me not to say it on stage. No...
Co ci daje więcej satysfakcji?
Nie wiem, właśnie. Chyba teraz, no, bardzo lubię. I like being a director, but I think for me, if I find a role that I love, it's an amazing feeling. You know? So it depends on the role. It's kind of a half answer.
Ja czułam, że to jest trudne pytanie,
No
ale
tak,
byłam
trudne
ciekawa.
pytanie. Tak.
Dziękuję ci bardzo.
Dziękuję.
Dziękujemy.
Hello.
Cześć.
Cześć.
Ja mam pytanie, dlaczego zmieniłeś nazwę na Instagramie i co znaczyła twoja poprzednia?
I didn't do it. Somebody just told me. They changed my name to Paul Wesley. But my name was Paul Vidier, and I love Paul Vidier. And I'm not happy about it.
A co znaczyła tamta nazwa?
Actually, jak byłem w high school, liceum,
Liceum.
it was a nickname that my friend gave me. He used to call me Paul Vidier. And you know, when I got Instagram, it was a long time ago. Nobody really had Instagram. And I just did it because it's the first, as a joke. I didn't think it was going to have 8 million followers. So anyway.
A zmienisz nazwę na tą poprzednią?
Maybe I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it now.
Okej.
Paul Wesley. No, I'll keep it. Whatever.
Dziękuję, kocham cię.
Dziękuję.
Hi, Paul.
Cześć.
Vampire Diaries will be my best series forever. But I've got a question for you. Who would you be if you weren't be an actress? Who would you be?
Mówisz po polsku?
Mówię.
Dobra. You never know. Director, or I love the idea. I'm not sure I'd be good at it, but I love the idea of being a journalist. It's such a cool idea, but only investigative journalists where you investigate things and then write about it. You know what I mean? Like corruption or some sort of a criminal activity that you expose. That's cool. I think that would be cool.
I
What
don't
about
have-
you? What do you do? I mean, you're very young. What do you want to do?
I want to be an architect.
Oh, that's good too.
Yeah, and
That's good too.
I want to.
I like that too. It's my other
Be
thing.
popular and famous.
No, why? Why do you want to be popular and famous?
To get
To get
pretty-
babes?
to have beautiful fans,
Yeah.
like beautiful girls,
Yeah. I mean, I understand.
and I think not in maybe movies, but on YouTube or Instagram.
I don't know. Come on. You don't want to do that. Listen, I don't know this whole YouTube, Instagram. Like, I don't know, guys. I don't know about this Instagram, YouTube thing. I'm kind of waiting for it to slowly go away. Like, but I don't know if it will. But you remember, well, you guys are all very young, but do you remember it used to be MySpace? MySpace used to be like the thing. And now nobody goes on MySpace? Nobody goes on MySpace. I want Instagram to sort of be the next MySpace. Like, I kind of want it to go away a little bit because I think it's a little bit addictive. Don't you think? I
don't
find
know.
myself looking at it quite often. And I think it can be addictive. So I think architect is
And I
good.
was really shocked when I heard that your family and you are from Poland because I didn't know that, and it was shocked because I don't really like the Polish films and series.
Oh, they're so good.
Oh, come on.
Like 19 no.
Oh yeah, 1989.
No,
1983.
19 plus.
Oh, I thought you were talking about
Yeah,
a TV
I
series
don't
on
like
Netflix.
that. And I was really shocked.
Well, I don't know, but I think there's some amazing Polish movies that you should probably watch. Some of the best cinemas from Poland.
Yes, it is.
But
I don't know. I prefer Vampire Diaries.
tell that to, Kieślowski. But anyway, I thank you. Thank you.
My name on the Instagram is Johnny's Dunek.
Nice. He's famous now, everyone. He got his dream.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
I've got a weird question for you.
Uh-oh.
Like, supposing you were a woman,
Yes.
which female role in Vampire Diaries would you like to play and why?
That's a good one. Catherine.
Why?
She gets to make out with Ian. And, she's manipulative, and it's always fun to play manipulative characters. It's like, what about you? What character would you like to play?
I have no idea. I guess Caroline?
Why? Because she makes out with Stefan?
Well, I think that her character made the biggest development throughout the series. Like,
Yeah.
first she was a sassy little girl from high school, and then she was really protective, and she was kind of a mother to twins. So I think her character developed in a great way throughout the series. So
Did her and Alark have a relationship?
yeah,
Because they have babies, right?
yeah, like two of them.
But did they? Okay. I forgot. But did they have a romantic relationship?
No.
Okay. I honestly forgot. So then, why does she have his babies?
What? She had his babies because they were kind of magically transferred into her belly when his wife was killed.
That's my excuse. Thanks.
All right, thanks
Thank
so
you.
much.
Hi.
Hi.
At first, I want to say that you're an amazing person and that
Thank you.
make me happy, and I love you.
Thank
and
you.
I
That's
have
very
a
sweet of you.
request.
Thank you.
Could you tell us a funny story from your childhood or your teens?
Or my what?
Or your teens?
Oh, teens. Mom. Did anything happen? What? Huh? Perfect child? That's bullshit. What did I do, Mom? Help me out. You don't know? You have so many, so you forgot? Yeah. You know so many things. Tommy. That's my dad. Tommy. What happened? Did I do anything? Okay, embarrassing thing from. Okay, I got something for you. This is a true story. It's not that funny, but whatever. It was very embarrassing for me. Do you remember? Well, you're much younger than I am, but when I was a teenager, it was cool to wear really baggy pants, like you were a rapper. You know what I mean? And you wear them below your ass, so your ass is sticking out. You know what I'm saying? Like I never wore my pants here. I wore my pants here and then a long shirt. Anyway, it was like my first week at school and the pants were so big and I was trying to be cool because I really wanted to fit in. I think it was like 8th grade or something. And it was like really busy hallway. And in the middle of the hallway, my pants fell. And I just remember everyone looking at me and me feeling so stupid. And that was like a huge, big moment in my childhood that was like very traumatic for me.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hi, I have a question about Vampire Diaries. So, what was the most annoying thing about filming with Ian?
Oh my God. How long's the panel? Ian eats food all the time.
Okay.
So literally we'll have to stop because he has food in his mouth or he's eating, or in between takes he's eating. He's always chewing. There's always eating. He's doing something. He's always getting food stuck in his teeth, in his mouth. It's really just kind of too much. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like,
sure.
stop eating and just relax.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's fair.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Paul.
How are you?
Thanks, good. My mom is big your fan.
Thank
And
you. Wait, your
sent-
mom?
Yes, my mom.
Where is she?
In Krakow.
Where?
Krakow.
I was just there. Why didn't I get together with her?
I don't know.
Well, say, I tell your mom I said hi.
No.
You're not gonna tell-
She sent greetings from Krakow.
She sends greetings from Krakow?
Yeah.
Will you send her greetings back?
Oh, it's.
Czemu nie?
I don't know.
Kocham twoją mamę.
Oh, and me? And I love you too. Okay, I have a question.
Okay.
When you have free time, what do you like do?
Co robię w wolnym czasie?
Yes.
Czasie?
Czasie.
Czasie?
Co lubisz
Czasie.
robić w wolnym czasie?
Czasie.
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 W wolnym czasie.
Yeah.
Czasie.
Czasie.
Okay. Sometimes I screw up the grammar. I say it's wolno czaso, but it's czasie. Czasie.
Yeah.
Czasie. This is where I sometimes mess up the, you know what I mean? Tak, końcówki. I can curse very good though. I almost did it. All right. Anyway, what do I do? So, well, I really like to travel. So I travel all the time. I'm always going somewhere. I don't like to be in one place at the same time. I love discovering new material. So I spend a lot of time reading magazines or articles, but I really enjoy it. I don't like going to the gym. I love watching tennis. I'm obsessed with tennis. In fact, I'm going to go to Roland Garros, I think. I was just watching tennis before I'm obsessed with tennis. I check the scores. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christus. I check the scores. I'm obsessed with tennis. And lately I've been running in the morning. I go for a nice run. And I love to eat food. Not as much as Ian, but I love to eat food. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, big fan.
Thank you.
Dzięki.
Dzięki.
Dziękuję.
Hej,
Hello.
więc mam pytanie. Czy
Tak.
pamiętasz swoją największą wpadkę na planie?
Największą co?
Największą wpadkę.
Co to jest wpadka?
Blooper?
A,
From Vampire Diaries.
o, jak kręciłem serial.
Tak.
Tak?
Tak.
You ever watch the blooper reel? The wpadkę reel?
Tak.
Yeah.
Jest.
Do you remember when my tooth fell out?
Yeah.
That was pretty bad. I was trying to be a mean ripper who was attacking a woman, and then my tooth falls out. That's not.
Okay. Thank you.
That's not very
Love you
intimidating.
so much. Thank
Oh,
you.
dziękuję. Thank you.
Cześć.
Cześć,
Chciałabym
cześć.
ci powiedzieć,
Tak.
jakie jest najtrudniejsze według ciebie słowo po polsku?
O. Księć brzmi w trzcinie?
Tak.
How do you say książ?
Chrząszcz.
Książ. Well, how do you say that word? How do you say that? Książ.
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 Nie ksiądz.
Książ.
Tak.
A.
Mogę być nauczycielem języka polskiego.
Książ. Dobra, to jakie miałeś pytanie?
Najtrudniejsze słowo po polsku.
Książ. Nie.
Hej,
Książ. Cześć.
gdybyś mógł cofnąć czas, to chciałbyś nadal być sławny, czy może być nierozpoznawalny?
Like if I could take away the fame. Yeah. Rozumiem. Dobre pytanie. Chcesz, żeby powiedzieć ci szczerze? Szczerze? Okay, I'll speak in English. I think that there are a lot of positive things that come from being someone who has a reach, an audience, a fan base, and more than likely, more positive than negative. Of course, there are negative, but I think the positive outweighs the negative, so I would probably still choose the situation that I'm in now. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Dzięki.
Thank you.
Hi Paul.
Hello.
English, Polish?
Jak chcesz.
Okej. Jakie jest twoje największe marzenie? English?
No, ja rozumiem.
Okej, good.
Wiem, co to jest marzenie. Mam dużo marzeń.
Oh.
Marzeń? Marzeń. You know, well, I would love for people, for not people, I would say. I would love, okay, this is kind of a serious answer, okay? I would love for there to be less industrialization when it comes to food. I know that sounds very complex, but basically I don't like the way that animals are treated.
Me too.
Yeah. And I would like there to be more of a humane treatment of farm animals.
Yes.
Because I don't think I think it's really crazy the way that we treat certain animals in the world.
It's beautiful.
We love dogs. Oh my God, dogs. Oh my God, they're amazing. But then we treat pigs and cows like it's like a chair or a couch, and I think it's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy.
That's my opinion.
It's a beautiful dream. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Dobra, to mam do ciebie pytanie. Czy jesteś zadowolony z tego, że grałeś wampira? Czy może chciałbyś grać wilkołaka jak Tyler? Albo jesteś zadowolony...
Wilkołaka?
Wilkołak, werewolf.
Ja wiem, ale nie wiedziałam, nie znałem tego słowa. Wilkołaka?
Yes.
A, wilkołaka.
Tak. Czy wolałbyś grać wilkołaka?
Ja chcę grać wilkołaka, chcę mówić wilkołaka. Jestem wilkołaka. Jestem wilkołakiem. Jestem wilkołak. Wilkołak? Wilkołak.
To tak, to chciałbyś w pamiętnikach zmienić swoją rolę i na przykład grać wilkołaka jak Tyler?
Wilkołaka.
A może hybrydę jak Klaus?
Nie, wilkołaka.
Okej, thanks.
Thank you. Wilkołaka. What a name. Wilkołaka.
Cześć, kocham
Cześć.
Cię.
Dzięki.
I mam pytanie o Tell Me a Story.
Tak.
Co najbardziej Ci się podobało w tym serialu i co byś mógł zmienić, gdybyś mógł?
Well, Bardzo mi się, I mean, I love the character.
In Polish.
A kurczę. Cholera, jasne.
You have to practice. So.
No, tak, masz rację. Nie podobał mi się ten charakter. On był taki...
Zły.
Nie zły.
Zły.
Nie, taki, on był trochę taki wilkołaki. No.
Nie bardzo.
Nie. No, on był taki nie zły, tylko taki, jak się mówi? Is it confused?
Zagubiony.
No, zgubiony, właśnie. Zagubiony. Ja to lubię, no bo ten w Vampire Diaries oni wszyscy tak, Stefan nie był taki zgubiony. I ja lubię wilkołaki.
A co byś mógł zmienić w tym serialu?
Może, żeby był wilkołakiem w ogóle. Było bardzo fajnie.
Ale tam nie było nadprzyrodzonych istot.
Słucham?
Nie było nadprzyrodzonych istot.
Nie wiem, co to znaczy.
Alter
Nie było.
No właśnie.
Nie było. Niestety.
Musisz odwiedzić Wrocław, to jest jedno z najładniejszych miast w Polsce.
Wszyscy mówią tak,
I live
Wrocław.
there,
A wiesz, ja byłem w Poznań, bardzo ładny też. Byłem w Krakowie. Gdzie byłem? Gdzie? Olsztyn. Where else? Gdzie jesteś? Co? Dobra, to koniec. Okej. No,
Thank you,
dzięki.
bye.
Cześć.
All right, we have time for the last question.
Hi.
Hi.
Świetnie mówisz po polsku.
O, dziękuję.
Więc
Znaczy,
zapytam.
trochę kiepsko.
Świetnie.
Nie.
Więc, gdzie czujesz się lepiej, tak bardziej w domu, w Polsce czy w Stanach?
No, niestety w Stanach, ale no bo tylko ja się tam urodziłem i ja tam do szkoły chodziłem i tam mieszkam. Co dla mnie to jest, ale jak byłem małe dziecko, chyba więcej, dla mnie Polska była trochę, dla mnie więcej...
Czyli lubisz tu przyjeżdżać?
Bardzo lubię. I'm gonna speak in English. I really prefer a lot of things about Poland. You know, the culture, and I get along more with, I think, the sensibility, the Polish sensibility.
Pierogi?
And the pierogi, and the żebrówka. No, but you know, but I'm so Americanized now because I've been living there for so long that I feel American. But I wish I can take some of the Polish customs and bring them to America. I think it would be very good for America. But I also need to spend more time here. So.
A jak jesteś w Stanach, to za czym polskim tęsknisz? Czego ci brakuje? Albo może masz coś takiego, co zawsze zabierasz z Polski do Stanów?
When I was younger, I used to come here and spend a lot of time with my grandparents. They're not here anymore, so I obviously, for me, I miss that. But I also used to go on these vacations with them. No cell phones, no, you know, just nature. And I miss that because now everything is so technology based in America. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right. Do we take one more or we finish?
Velkołaki. One more.
One more.
Oh my God. Hi.
Hi.
Can I speak Polish?
Tak.
Question?
Tak.
Okej, no to pytanie brzmi, biorąc pod uwagę wszystkie filmy, które widziałeś, jaką rolę najchętniej byś zagrał poza pamiętnikami wampirów?
I mean, honestly, and I'm not just saying this, I would really like to play a Polish character because it's close to me. It's close to who I am. It would be really cool to play something, you know, I don't know. I mean, a character that's maybe like, I mean, doesn't have to be World War II, but like something to commemorate a little bit of my family history, maybe, you know? So I think it would be, I mean, watch out. You never know. Maybe I'll find something. I'm trying, so.
Okay,
practice
we
more.
will wait.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
No dobrze, to podziękujmy Polowi za to, że
Guys, thank you so
nas
much.
odwiedził po raz drugi.
Thank you so much. Dziękuję.